Good afternoon, everybody. Okay. See,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to make a patch file, the ThinkPad 450. How to make a patch file that I am going to show you today in this class. Okay. See, for that, what are the files is required that are already taken on the desktop. Okay. It's actually desktop folder. This is our main patch folder. And second one is main password. The already password is there, no? That original file we have to keep it. So the two things we have to take. One is our folder. Second thing is the password file. Okay, both we have to keep in a folder. Right. So
Right.
let's start. I'll teach you how to do this patching now. Okay. Now this particular file we have to move it to our folder. Okay. First thing is the file which we saved, the password file which we saved, that one we have to move to this particular folder. Then we have to open it. Okay. In this folder, here is the original file. The password which has the password, the original file is here. Now, see, this is our folder. In our folder, what it contains? Only three major files it contains. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. The simple process, it's very, very simple process. What we have to do, first we need to replace this, first we need to search these files and we have to replace to this, what we have the password in that particular file, we have to replace it. Okay. Process is very simple that I am going to show you now. See, the first basic step is first we need to open this original file in UEFI replacer. Once again, I will tell you the original file. First, we need to drag and drop to replacer. Okay.
Okay.
See, now it came like this. It should show this particular files. See, when I click here, the BIOS should show, this padding and all should show. Then we come to know this is original file. In this file only, we need to do the patching thing. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Now, what I'm going to do, second option, what I told, just we need to search this file. Search in the sense, except that extension, first we need to copy these words. Exact word we need to copy. Okay. Just I'll press F2. F2 in the sense it's a rename. I'll copy this, Control C, and I'll come to the file where we opened in replacer. There I came. Here is the option, Control F. Control F is for search. Okay, sir. Here it's for search. Here three options are there. One is X pattern, GUID, and text. We are searching the text, so we have to select the text format. Okay. Here, a icon is blinking. Here we need to paste it. What we copied previously, that we need to paste it here. Control V means
Control V.
Yeah, exact word. The particular word has copied here. Okay. After this, we need to say OK. It means it's already searched. Where it's searched, here it's a double click we have to do. Then we come to know where exactly the file. See, user interface section. Here is the original file. Here is the file. So what we have to do, here the file is there, right? So that file, we need to replace it to our folder file. What we have in that folder, that particular file, we have to replace to this file. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do here, just I'm going to click here and again right click. Okay. Here many options are there, but we need to choose only replace as is. Replace as is. Once again, I'll tell you. First, we need to search this particular file. Here we got, and then we have to right click then we have to go to replace as is. Replace as is. So once I click on replace as is, it will ask where is the file and which file we have to replace it. Right. So then here, this is the AK and RI ThinkPad password. This is the folder we have. In this folder, we have the files. But here unable to see because it searched only .bin and .ffs, right? But the file extension is differ. So that's why it's not showing here. So what we have to do here, we have to click and we have to select all files. See, now it
Files.
came, right? So here the T. These files we have to choose because what we are going to do, this particular original file which we have in the folder, that we are replacing with the password file, right? Hmm. So now just you open this file. So now it old file removed and new file copied. This is the first step. What we did, it's very simple. The original file we opened in replacer and then we searched this particular file, the first file, and then we found it. Where we found, here we found, and we did right click and replace as is. See, I did right click and replace as is. In replace as is file, it was asking the file where is the original file and where we have to copy. So that I found it in our folder and I clicked here and that file, particular file has replaced. One job has done. So now second option is total three files are there. The second file we need to click same thing. Just we have to do F2. I did F2. Okay. F2 in the sense without that extension, what are the file name are there that we need to copy. Okay. Now Control C I'm doing. Control C. Again that folder we already open. Sorry, that file we already open in UEFI tool. Here we have to come and again we have to do the search option. See, Control F I pressed the text. Here it's already opened. The previously what we searched that it's showing. We have to overwrite it. Overwrite in the sense what we copied that I'm going to paste. Control V. Control V is for paste. Hmm? Now I'm going to search same function. Again, I'm searching this file. Okay. The search file is here. So here we have to do double click. If we do double click, it will show the exact file where it is. See, here is the file, same file. System
Okay.
yes. Okay, same file is here. The same thing we have to do. The same thing in the sense, right click, replace as is, replace as is. Just click on this. Here I already showed you the .bin only is showing. So for that we have to select all file. Then it shows what are the files we have. That files it shows. Now what we are going to do, the second files we are replacing the second file. So I clicked on our original files and open. Now what it did, it replaced from old to new one. Now, what we have in the folder, that file is copied here. Okay. Now, two files are copied. Now, two files are copied. Third one is
Okay.
third one is boot option. So, what we have to do for this? We have to do nothing to do. We need not to search here. Just we have to come down. Just we have to come down in search bar. Till where? Till that boot option will show here. See again till here somewhere boot option will be there. Just a minute. I'm searching here. Here we didn't get the boot option, right? So just a minute. Here is the 32. One option is there, right? First one we search. Below that boot option we need to search. If we come down, there will be a boot option. Just a minute. Need not to search.
हाँ, अब जाना पड़ेगा सर, निकल गया ऊपर।
निकल गया ना? अच्छा, ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट. Yes, here is the boot
बोट
option.
ऑफ।
See what we search in between the boot option on our file is there. Need not to search this boot option. So here only it will be there. That Lenovo first one what we searched, below that the particular file will be there. See, this is the first file we searched. If we come down, so that boot
डाउन।
option is showing here. Here is the boot option. Just click on that. Again, same process. Right click, replace as
रिप्लेस।
is. Here, all file and boot option. Just double click on that. Here, our file is ready. Only three files we have to search. Both two files we search. Third file we come little down. It was here only. Just we replaced it. Okay. Only three files
ओके।
we replaced. Now the job has done. In the sense, first we need to save this file. What we did, that file we need to save. See, save image. In the same folder, I will copy Lenovo T450 patch. I renamed it as Lenovo T450 patch, but don't forget to type .bin. It's a file extension. Otherwise, you are unable to open the file in BIOS programming time. So that's why what are the name we have to put same name after that .bin we have to put it here. Just I saved it.
ओके।
Just I saved it. Now our patch file is ready.
रेडी।
See, here is the patch file. Lenovo T450 patch file is ready. Okay. Now what we have to do, the process, if you know this, it's okay. Otherwise, again, I will tell you. This file, what we have sent, this file, we need to burn it. I mean, program it in the BIOS. The old file is there, no? That is, we have to keep it safely. The new one, what I will send, that you need to burn, program it. See, here is a notepad. If you forget it, here I will send a notepad. Just you open it. Here are the steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here some steps are there. Just what I did, that also is there, up to 10 steps. But if you get confused, so that's why I, in simple manner, I showed you. Just we need to replace only three files. You forget this, and these instructions you need to follow. Now remove all battery and CMOS battery. What I given the file, first we need to burn it, means program it, and you paste it in the motherboard, I mean solder it. After this, you need to replace, I mean remove the CMOS battery. The step 1, to enter step 1, the password it will ask. Once you boot it, the once you file is on, once you switch on the laptop, it will ask the password. The password is password
वन
1234
3 4।
you have to type. Okay, wait for 20 seconds. It will take some time to initialize. Okay, after this password, you have to, the second step is you have to wait for 20 seconds or more. Don't I mean don't get confused, it's got hang like that, but you have a patience. You wait for 20 seconds or more than that 20 seconds, depending on internal speed. It will take its own time, 20 seconds or 30 seconds. After that, it will ask hardware ID. One message you will get, please enter your hardware ID, like that. Okay, now enter any ID. It means it's 1234 or 1231 or whatever it may be. Just you type minimum 4 letters. Okay. After, if you do double space, see the step number 4 is press 2x space bar when asked. It will ask, actually it will prompt. One message will come, press space bar, like that. That time you need to press double time space bar you have to type. Okay, then after that, turn off the computer and restore your original file. That's it, your patch file is over. The password already removed. See, once again I'll repeat. The first step, this 1 to 10, I already explained you in simple manner. need not to worry about this. So after our patch file programmed in BIOS, these steps you have to follow. First step is enter the password. Once you switch the power button, switch the on button, then you will get the password option. The password is 1234 or whichever you want, that password you have to give. Second time it will take minimum 20 to 30 seconds. So you have be a patience. You have to wait for 20 to 30 seconds. After that, again it will ask a hardware ID. After this ID, any ID you can give, minimum 4 digit, 1234 or 000, double zero double zero or double one, whatever your own you have to give. After pressing enter button, it will prompt, please press space bar kind of thing. Once you see that space bar, then you have to type two times space bar you have to click. After that, that's it. It's over. Now turn on the computer and restore your original BIOS. What you already sent to us, that particular file, you have to reprogram it and you turn the power on. Then that password will be removed. Okay, this is the simple process. So nothing to do anything. Just once again, just summary I will tell. These three files we need to replace to that password file which you sent, that one. After that, we need to reprogram in the BIOS the password which I sent to you, that you have to reprogram and you have to follow the instructions. And be patient. You have to wait for 20 to 30 seconds. That's it. Your BIOS patchword Lenovo T450 patch is ready and it removed. Okay, that's it. This is a very
Okay.
simple process. Like this, we have to do. If you have any doubts, please ask. In the future, you can telegram me or you can do the WhatsApp or directly you can call and ask if you have any doubts. In this process, any doubts, sir?
No,
No? It's a very easy, right?
very simple explain you.
Okay. Okay, then. Thank you. Thank you very much.